Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wapinas.com, and we're doing another not so quick unboxing because it's not an unboxing already anymore. About the Honor of Band 5. This is actually the third take we're doing it. First take wasn't recorded. Second take, the audio was so bad. I sounded like a robot, and now we're gonna have to do it again. Okay. So a friend of mine gave me the Honor Band 5 as a gift for Christmas. It just arrived the other day. As you can see, when you open it, you get the watch that's there and then the charger here. Okay. Nothing else is inside the box except for that one. So this is how the band actually looks like. We're now taking the video of the Honor Band 5 using the Infinix S5 camera. Okay. As you can see, there's the two contact points there in the bottom that you need to connect to when you charge it. What I like about the Honor Band 5 is the strap because it actually looks like a standard watch strap compared to like the Infinix 5 series smartwatch. I don't like this type of straps. It's a little bit hard to put on when it's already on your wrist, especially if you like it tight. Okay. So this one is good, but I think Shotos is gonna be using it since he needs a watch, and this is the only watch that I have that can fit his small wrist. Okay. And here's the charger. What? Clip, pad, board, whatever. Okay. So there's a mount that's removable from the USB cable that you connect to the left side. As you can see, there's the two pins that you need to connect to. So you just make sure that you clip it on in the bottom portion. You're gonna hear it click when you do. See? And then you only need to plug this in and then connect it to the power bank or port that you're gonna be using. Okay? The Honor Band 5 is available in Shopee and Lazada. And if you check both Shopee and Lazada, prices are different. Depends on who's selling. It goes as low as 1,325 to as high as 1,500. Okay. So I haven't been able to see. I haven't taken the time to actually check if there's a Huawei shop that actually sells it. That's a Huawei and true to life Huawei shop. So no idea about that. So this is what. Just check it out yourself. It's a touchscreen, okay, so you can easily check the different setup or screens that's available, heart rate, steps. You can even change the watch faces. There's a timer, stopwatch. There's the faces. You can find the phone if you lost it. If you can't find your phone, you can find it using this one. Brightness, screen on, and battery, and the system. Okay. To use this watch, if you're not using a Huawei phone, you'll need to download Huawei Health, and then after that, you'll need to download another app. I forgot what app that was for it to be able to work. Okay, so we're gonna pause it now and show you the app in a little while. Let's turn on the Huawei Y9s, which we bought about a week ago. It's already paired with the Honor Band, right? So it's gonna. Well, forgot. Your phone's gonna go and keep on making sounds. Wait. The phone finally quieted down from all the notifications that came in because it was off since yesterday. So you'll need the app, Huawei Health, okay, latest one. And then when you pair your phone, remember when you're doing this the first time, make sure to update the devices list. It's gonna download about 100 KB worth of data, and you need to find specifically the watch that says Honor Band 5 because there's Honor Band 5 Sport, the one, the basketball edition. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna pair. Okay, so there's a new update. We'll update it later. Okay, so the band is supposed to have a large AMOLED screen, and when you compare it with the Infinix, it looks like that. Yes, it does have a bigger screen and a brighter screen too compared to Infinix. And stylus watch faces, you can actually change the watch faces that you like from the app. You can set notifications, everything else. You can set the target for the exercises. You You can monitor your heart rate. It has your exercise records, your sleep records, your stress. It can help you monitor that one. So there's a lot of stuff that you can do with the watch. Okay, so you can buy this online in Shopee or Lazada. Just feel free to check it out. Personally, this is the type of smartwatch that I would like, that actually looks like a watch with a watch strap. So that's a quick unboxing for the Honor Band 5. Don't forget to like our video and share it, and turn on the notifications bell so that you get notified once we put new content. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.